My closest friend inquired about him with a knowing smile. "What's really happening between you two?" she asked gently. I responded quickly, "We're just friends," while hiding my own smile. But walking home alone, my heart raised different questions. Why did I feel such joy when he texted me? Why did I remember small details about him? My mind kept returning to that fundamental question. Where exactly lies the boundary between liking and loving? When does a crush evolve into genuine love? These questions accompanied me, like persistent shadows. I contemplated the moon, wondering about my emotions. Was this merely temporary excitement, or something more profound? This personal confusion sparked deeper reflection. Perhaps we frequently mislabel temporary emotions as love. We relish the attention and concern from others. A sweet beverage during fatigue feels significant. Assistance in challenging times resonates emotionally. Shared interests create illusory connections. Perhaps what we term love is essentially self-affection. We adore the sensation of being cherished by someone. Their attention provides validation. Their care offers significance. Their presence fills emotional voids. But is this authentic affection for them, or merely appreciation for our emotional satisfaction? Authentic love manifests through consistent actions rather than mere declarations. It reveals itself in mundane yet meaningful daily gestures. A thoughtful message reminding you to dress warmly in chilly weather. A simple sweet dreams text, sent reliably each night. These seemingly minor acts demonstrate genuine concern. They validate affection through established routines. Genuine care becomes particularly evident during adversity. I recall experiencing severe illness last winter. Instead of inquiring about my needs verbally, he appeared at my doorstep with essential medications. His simple text, "I'm downstairs," conveyed more than elaborate speeches could express. Such spontaneous actions demonstrate commitment beyond obligatory expressions. True affection creates a sanctuary for authenticity. It eliminates the necessity for pretense or performance. You can share comfortable silence without awkwardness. Vulnerability becomes safe rather than frightening. Imperfections transform into endearing qualities. This emotional security represents love's ultimate gift, surpassing temporary excitement. Love flourishes through ordinary interactions rather than dramatic gestures. It exists in shared comfortable silence. It appears in understanding without explanation. It grows through mutual acceptance of flaws. These unremarkable moments contain profound meaning that only participants can fully comprehend and appreciate. Genuine emotional awareness requires courageous self-examination. Do you truly cherish them, or merely your reflection in their perception? Are you seeking validation through their admiration? This uncomfortable inquiry, though challenging, proves essential for emotional maturity. The revelation might initially unsettle you, but ultimately liberates. Pose yourself another crucial question for clarity. If their affection diminished gradually, what would dominate your sorrow? Would you mourn the loss of their unique presence? Or primarily lament the disappearance of feeling valued? This distinction proves fundamental for understanding motivation. One scenario reflects genuine attachment. The other reveals self-interest. Analyze the origins of your occasional jealousy carefully. Does it stem from injured pride and possessiveness, or from genuine concern for the relationship's integrity? When they interact with others, observe your reactions. Are you anxious about potential abandonment, or primarily discomforted by challenged ego? Acknowledging uncomfortable truths challenges our self-perception. Yet this courageous honesty initiates emotional growth. Perhaps you primarily cherish the concept of being loved. Maybe you value the emotional fulfillment they provide. This initial discomfort gradually transforms into valuable self-awareness, preparing you for authentic connections. Questioning your feelings shows emotional growth and maturity. This self-reflection means you take relationships seriously. Don't label complex emotions too quickly. Give yourself time for clarity to develop naturally. Listen to your inner peace more than temporary excitement. True love reveals itself through patient observation over time. Resist external pressure about romantic relationships. Friends may frequently ask about your relationship status. Family might express curiosity about your love life, but only you truly understand your own feelings. Choosing partners just to avoid loneliness shows insecurity. True connections come from mutual understanding and respect. Real love embraces imperfections and grows through challenges. It sees the real person beyond perfect images. It develops through shared experiences and understanding. It accepts flaws and celebrates authenticity. This genuine connection deepens over time. It values consistency over dramatic gestures. The answer to love's questions unfolds gradually. It reveals itself through daily interactions, through how you feel in each other's presence, through the comfort of shared silence, through small choices made every day. This journey of discovery continues endlessly. It begins with honesty toward your own heart. Looking back at this journey of self-discovery, I understand its importance. The confusion and doubts were necessary for growth. They helped me see my feelings more clearly. They taught me to distinguish real love from temporary emotions. This difficult process was valuable for understanding relationships deeply. True love speaks through consistent actions, not just words. It shows in patience during difficult times. It appears in acceptance of imperfections. It grows through mutual understanding. It strengthens with shared experiences, and it endures through life's inevitable changes and challenges. For everyone asking similar questions, remember this truth. There's no shame in not having immediate answers. Self-discovery requires time and patience. Each moment of doubt leads toward clarity. Every honest question promotes personal growth. Your heart will guide you when you listen attentively. Continue questioning and exploring your feelings. Keep observing your heart's honest responses. Value the quiet moments of understanding. Appreciate this journey of self-awareness. Knowing yourself prepares you for genuine love. This remains life's most beautiful discovery.